Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple program that will ask the user to give a character, and then our program will determine whether the given character is a vowel or not in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description guys, where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today in my websites for free. So I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. It is free to download from the internet. Okay, so sharp include stdio.h for input output in every C program. Stdio means standard input output header file. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program, and ending point. When we run our program, this is the first function that our compiler search and execute. To begin, char ch declaration, and then the title of our program, check vowel in C, give a character, store in our variable ch, %c, scanf, scan formatting, print, switch to upper ch. Switch to upper means convert to uppercase value. So the character in our vowel is A, E, I, O, U. So it should be capital letter, so it will display here the character. If example A is a vowel, to upper capital letter break. Else if it is not a vowel, it will display also the uppercase value here. And then we close our switch statement here, printf new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line here, return 0, and then right curly bracket to close the main body of our program. Let us compile and run to see the result. Check vowel in C, give a character, let's say O. O is a vowel, end of program. Another example, let's say we have 5. 5 is not a vowel. Number 5 is not a vowel. Okay. L is not a vowel. A is a vowel. Last example, B is not a vowel, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on check vowel in C. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.